squared? Okay. We looked at the red triangle. It's a right triangle. So since a is the hypotenuse, you take x squared plus b squared equals a squared. And I volunteer to tell me what c squared is equal to. Tyler.
B minus x squared plus b squared.
Good. Maybe I owe you a piece of gum. I owe you a piece of gum. Okay? So, I would like everyone to write down what c squared is equal to and make sure we expand this b minus x squared. So, use FOIL to do the b minus x squared. Can I have a volunteer to give me the expanded form of c squared? Quit. I'd like the answer. And we have that plus d squared. Okay? So we were given this. Well, can everyone see how a squared is equal to x squared plus d squared? Brooke, you don't see that? Okay, we got a squared is equal to x squared plus d squared. We have an x squared plus d squared over here. So I can use substitution. So I have to do a little rearranging. The a squared is going to be substitute this x squared plus d squared. So c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2bx. Laura, you have a question?
I was wondering where you got the negative 2bx.
When we take the quantity b minus x and square it, we use FOIL, so you do b minus x times b minus x. You can do that, you get b. You understand now?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Well, we're trying to get c squared in the terms of a's, b's, and c's. So we still got an x there. Well, what did I say we're going to learn today? Cosine. So, can anyone tell me what the cosine of c is equal to? Big C. Someone that hasn't volunteered yet. That. X over d. Good. So, if I wanted to get x by itself, can anyone tell me what I need to do? Okay. Multiply everything by d. So, extend my page. We're going to get x is equal to d times the cosine of c. The hypotenuse is a. Good job, Nicoya. How do you find cosine? How do you find cosine? Adjacent over hypotenuse, so adjacent is x, the hypotenuse is a. So this will be x equals a times the cosine of c. So can someone tell me what I can do to get rid of this x then in our c squared formula? Casey?
What was the question?
How can I get rid of this x in our c squared formula?
Divide it by 2b.
Maybe. Got it?
Add 2bx.
You see down here that x equals a times the cosine of c?
Yeah.
So do you think I could use substitution for that? Okay. So c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times the cosine of c. This is how we prove the law of cosines. We will get to it. So, we have c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of c. Well, we have it equal to c squared. Does anybody have an idea if I want to make it equal to a squared? No? Okay. Still a little bit fresh. So, a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of a.
So you just substitute c.
Yep, you're just switching them. So I'd like everyone to try to derive the formula for b squared then. Keep right up. Can I have a volunteer to give me the equation? Anthony?
Alright, b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine of b.
Good job. Okay. These three equations comprise the law of cosines. Just like yesterday with the law of sines, we'll be able to use these equations for triangles that are non-right triangles. Does everyone have these equations written down? I believe also the law of cosine notes have these written down for you. Okay? So let's work with some example problems.
Go back and put.
Yep. Let me know when I can move on.
Go ahead.
You get that? Okay. So just like before, might not have said this yesterday, but when you start, let's do these circles so we can recognize what side goes with what angle.